Hello, what's going on? So I am literally taking footage off of my SD cards because I just came back from Black Romance Book Fest last night, early this morning. I think I got home at 1. So right now it's literally, what was I about to do? I know what I was about to do. Right now it's 9:30. I still had to wake up to take my daughter to school, so like I had to wake up regular time, and at first I was like, well, maybe I'll just take her and then I'll go back to sleep, but I'm just like, no, I feel like that will make me feel a little worse about like the day, if that makes sense, like about like me getting things done and like getting back into real life vibes, right? Let me do these separate. I'm gonna have to do videos first, pictures separate. But I'm literally gonna put these on download really quickly, and then I'm gonna be out of here. Yeah, I had a great time. But now we are back home, and I have to basically get my life together again. I did do my monthly reset before I left, but I feel like I can still need like a good like Monday reset. Basically, today's Monday. I'm not gonna say Sunday because it's not Sunday, but I need a good monthly or Sunday reset or Monday reset. I just said I wasn't gonna say Sunday, and I said it anyway. I need a good Monday reset, and so that's what today's gonna be. But it's also going to be, it's okay, I can speak, I can use words. That's what today's gonna be, a Monday reset, getting my stuff in order for the rest of the week. So I do work retail, so basically I've had my 2 days off, Sunday and Monday, and now I'm going back to work Tuesday through Saturday. So because of that, there are things that I need to get in order, and then on top of that, the Sunday coming is my daughter's recital, so there are things that I need to get in order with that as well. So I need to really plan accordingly and get all those things ready, and so that's what I'm going to do today. On top of, I want to edit a video and post because I missed a posting day, and then get back into a good groove of editing, filming, posting. So I also did a month of posting on TikTok, 30 days, and we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about the changes that were made on my TikTok, and why I did that. And then I'm also going to show you probably the books and stuff that I got. I had a great time. I spent too much money, but I had a great time. And guess what? The money is spent now, so now we just have to fix it on the back end. And now I'm not excusing, because I really shouldn't have done that, and I really should have stuck to my budget, because I have other things that I like are coming up in my life that I'm planning for. So I really needed to stick to my budget, and I didn't. But now we're troubleshooting and getting through that. Am I gonna put makeup on? I feel like I don't want to, and so we're not gonna do it. Usually I fill in my eyebrows and I put some mascara on. No, actually I don't feel like it, so I'm not doing it. We're just gonna be barefaced today, and that's fine because my skin is doing pretty good, honestly. I have some dark spots, but currently I don't think I have any pimples right now. And I also figured out I really like doing my serum at night. I thought I liked doing my serum during the day, but I feel like I like doing it at night. Speaking of serums, let me go ahead and just put some sunscreen on. This is the vanilla one from Black Girl Sunscreen. It really does smell good. The only difference is this one is SPF 30. And yeah, this one's SPF 30, and the other one is SPF 50. So, but yeah, this one, it smells amazing. I mean, like, it smells like sunscreen, but it has like a hint of vanilla in it, so it's good. So yeah, let me head to the gym. All right, let's get out of here. Got my gym bag. Oh, I need to, first of all, I need to find my other tripod. Sorry, I got it upset. I had another tripod, exactly like this tripod, except for the little piece right underneath here was different. And this piece is so loose that it like constantly falls. And it doesn't matter how much I tighten it, it just constantly falls. It's hard to explain. Anyway, let me get my bags. Today we're gonna be the maximum of productivity. The max. The whole max. Okay? The whole max. Anyway, we're headed to the gym though to start the day off with a good sweat. And I only missed like my regular workout. Does that make sense? Like I usually don't work out already on Saturday and Sunday. I worked out on Friday still before I left. So I got to the airport later than I wanted to is because I went to the gym, and then it just my time wasn't perfectly on. My time was like a little bit, it was a little bit off. It was just a little bit off, but I still, obviously I made it to my flight, made it back, all those things. So I'm headed to the gym now to start off my week. And we're going to do, I think I'm going to do oh! That hurt. Why did that hurt? Oh God, that hurt. I think I'm going to do legs. I'll do arms tomorrow. I think I'm going to do legs today. But lower pull. I was thinking what I'm going to do. But I want to talk about my TikTok. So I did a challenge. I challenged myself on my TikTok. And let me go back because I literally did a video talking about how I was gonna post every day, but I only posted once a day, and I think I missed like 2 days. So out of 30 days, I did 28 days, and I wanted to see how my engagement improved, like on my channel. Well, really, I wanted to see how many more followers I would get. I should have tracked like likes as well as and views, but I didn't do that. Anyway, so I was at 1040 and I'm at 1153 now. So I got 110 followers within 30 days of posting one video a day. So some people do like 3 and 4 videos a day. Nope, not for me. 1 video a day is good. So I think I might do it again. I guess in June, like right now, because it's June now, but it's already the 2nd. But I think I posted a video yesterday, so I could say that I'm doing it for June as well. So maybe I'll do it again, and yeah, just do the same thing. So I think I will. I think I'll do it again and post every single day on my TikTok, which also gives me short form content for my YouTube channel, which I enjoy that as well. Like it gives me the content like off top. Like I don't have to think too hard about it because like I literally can just take that post and repost it. So it gives me consistent content on my YouTube channel as well. So, and it's also, I think, helping me merge my book content with my regular content on my channel, because I've been wanting to like talk about books on my YouTube channel, but I've noticed like sometimes when I'm posting a full video about books, it doesn't get as much views as like if I'm posting about my 12-week year, if I'm posting about my planning, if I'm posting about my productivity, like it's just not the same. So, but I think that also just comes with like growing on YouTube, like, you know, finding what works for you, finding what works for your channel and all that kind of stuff. So that's where I'm at with that. And I've been enjoying it. Like really, like honestly, I like TikTok because I don't have time to have the polish of Instagram. And like to me, it like Instagram just gives me so much pressure. Well, it used to. It doesn't anymore. It was like I gave Instagram all the power, and now I've taken all the power back because we're just out here on vibes, and I'm cool with that. So because there's also people who aren't polished and that are on Instagram and that are making it work. It's just, I feel like we don't see that as much. So I'm done giving my power to these apps. You know what I'm saying? Like, I think I was talking to somebody at Black Romance Book Fest about this, who also does content, and like she was like, yeah, like she had a hard time with Instagram because she felt the same way, like pressure, polished, you know, feeling the stress and anxiety of it. And I was just like, girl, me too. I took a break. I took a 30-day break, and I took my power back because it's an app, bro, and it's not making me money right now. It's on the other side of that, like if it gets to the point where it is going to give me money, okay, cool. Like I'll treat it like a job doing this for fun, like because I genuinely enjoy making YouTube videos, making shorts, making reels, making content. Like I just have fun with it. Like it's a fun thing for me to do. So taking it like that, but then also like still giving value, because you can do something that you're doing for enjoyment and still give value with it. So that's like the medium that I've found that is working, and that I'm enjoying. And thanks to, honestly, I really think like thanks to TikTok, because TikTok's algorithm is just like a lot different, and it's easier for you to pick up followers and views on TikTok. And even though that's like, it's kind of counterintuitive, right? Because like, that's what is exciting, right? That I'm picking up followers and views. Oh, I'm excited because I have more followers. I'm excited when I have more views. And that's feeding into the dopamine of social media. And so it is counterintuitive, because I'm just like, oh, well, TikTok is giving me what I want, so I'm going to give TikTok what it wants. But at the same time, it's helping me do content on YouTube. It's helping me do content on Instagram. It's helping me get into a groove of doing content. Like, it's also helping me. So I think because of that is why I'm like, one, having such a good time with it. I'm more relaxed about it. Like I feel less pressure with it, and it's really just a good time. So that's where I'm at. That's how I feel. That's how I'm doing. The vibes.